Hello, guys. I think I recognize this life hack, or more of like I figured this life hack. So you see, more of like you want to eat bread that is a bit hot, soft, and you go to the convenience store and you go and buy bread. It's kind of hard. You see the hardness of the bread, and you just want a bread that is a bit soft, like hot. uh and I'm in Ghana, and you see, in the olden days, you kind of like hot bread with a bit of butter inside, which is melting. Then you add a cocoa drink to it, right? Yeah, but nowadays you go outside, and all the bread that you get is more of like a bit hard on the surface, not that soft or something like that. So I figured it out that when you get the bread, for me, I like butter. Okay, that's margarine. So you divide it into two, then you spread margarine inside. Yeah. So let's see. Come in. So this mine, I have margarine inside my bread. Yep. So with this, I want the bread to be a bit soft with the margarine flowing. So I don't have more of like plates, since I'm in the office. I'm in my office. Yeah, kind of. So I don't have a plate. So I place my bread in a tissue. I wrap it up. I wrap the bread up. I wrap the bread up and then head to my microwave at the office. Of course, I want to eat bread that is hot. Put the bread inside the microwave. Put the microwave on. That's what the microwave. Put the microwave on. Put the microwave. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Uh-huh. The microwave don't want to turn on. No. Uh-huh. Yeah. So you put your microwave on, then you set your your time to about maybe just 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a bit okay. Yeah. Then you press start. So yeah, I press in the bread. I've wrapped it with the microwave, kind of rotating it a bit. So you wait for 2 minutes to come. I set it to 2 minutes for the bread not to get crispy or hard, and also I set it to 2 minutes for the margarine to at least melt, and not for the tissue that I wrap around my bread to kind of catch fire, because it's kind of a bit risky. But if you have a microwave bowl, you can just put the bread inside and more of like put it inside the microwave, let it uh, microwave or get heated for about just 3 minutes. 3 minutes will be okay, but your bread will be a bit more of like tough when you're about stretching it. That's kind of when I was just experimenting how hot I want the bread to be. But 2 minutes will be, so it's okay. It's a bit hot. I don't know the temperature though. I don't have my thermometer here, but it's a bit hot, kind of. Yeah, a bit hot. It's like straight from the oven. Yeah. So I want my bread hot because I want bread hot. Let's wait. It's remaining 40 minutes, 40 seconds, 40, 30, 37, 36. Let's wait for the 2 minutes. And guys, I'll be having a nice hot bread, butter bread. I usually do butter bread. If you have tea bread, that is nice. You have brown bread, that is nice. Just get it, slice it into two. If you want margarine, if you want butter, if you want cheese, just put it in, then slide it inside the microwave. If you have toast too, then why not just put it in the toaster for you to just get a nice toast. But here's the case: I don't have a toaster here, so put it in the microwave. Take it out. Yeah, but it's kind of hot. Whoosh. So now my bread is looking a bit softer, a bit, I think it's a bit soft than before. You see the margin is all melted inside like the way I want it. Whoosh. Then I can just press it, I mean to sandwich it a bit. Yeah, so I have a nice hot is it freshly baked? No, freshly microwaved bread. Yeah, you can do 3 minutes if you want margin to just be dripping out. Yeah, yeah. But if you use tissue, you kind of see that the tissue is just absorbing the margarine or the oils that is inside the bread. Yeah, so thank you.